Introduction. Dear one, welcome to my Dowsing with the Lecher Antenna Geobiology Levels 2 and 3 course. And thank you so much for choosing my course. Geobiology is a fascinating interdisciplinary science of the interaction between living beings and their physical environment and the Earth. The fact that you are here means that you finished my Dowsing with the Lecher Antenna Geobiology Basic Level course. Congratulations on finishing my basic level course and wanting to learn and to be able to do more with your Lecher antenna. You are a wonderful student and on your way to an even better well-being. If you did not enroll and or finish my Geobiology Basic Level course, which is also available here on Udemy, I would strongly advise you to do so, as this course is mainly based on the skills you have acquired in the Basic Level course. I have already mentioned in the Basic course, but also in my bioenergy courses, that the Lecher antenna is a small but very precious instrument to have. It requires only a small investment, but it means such a big step towards your health and well-being in many ways. In other words, why settle for feeling great when you could feel fantastic? This course focuses on the geobiology part of your health and well-being. This course is meant for anyone interested in wanting to learn how to be able to do more with their Lecher antenna. This course is meant for anyone interested in wanting to learn more about the energies of the Earth and the energies that surround us that can be harmful to your well-being or hazardous to human health. In other words, causes of geopathic stress, and how to look for them. This course is meant for anyone interested in deepening their knowledge in how to look for the energies with the Lecher antenna that cause geopathic stress. This being in 4 different ways. To look for energies on a bed. To look for energies in a room, office or space. To look for energies on a floor plan or map. To look for energies on a person. After taking this course, you will acquire following knowledge and skills. Perfect your use of the Lecher antenna for different types of measurements, from slightly slanted to horizontal. Have a more profound knowledge of the causes of geopathic stress. Know how to measure the vibrational quality of a room, an office, a space, an apartment, a house, and so on. Know how to detect spiral signals. Know what carrier waves and carried waves are and how they can be distinguished. Understand and be able to interpret complex energy measurements. Know more about caves and cavities. Know more about cosmotelluric chimneys and how to recognize and measure them. Know how to measure the energies and look for geopathic stress on a bed. Know how to measure the energies and look for geopathic stress in a room, office or space. Know how to measure the energies and look for geopathic stress on a floor plan or map. Know how to measure the three-dimensional imprint of the energies and geopathic stress on a person. This concludes Introduction.